Good afternoon and welcome to Speed Superbikes. This is our video on a 2024 KTM SUPERADVENTUR S. So it's a 2024, just over 11,500 miles. As you can see, we've got the handguards on there, and it has been done with what I think is a great looking Red Bull graphics kit. We've got the crash bars on there as well. As it being the S model, you've got your Brembos, you've got your semi-active suspension on that as well. Frame guard on there in the matching colours, and it does have a wing titanium can on there. There are heated seats, got a rear rack ready for your top box, and this number plate on it's a private plate. It isn't staying with it, but it is going to have the right 24 reg plate on there. Tyres all good, Michelin Road 6s, so a really good tyre. It has got a quick shifter. It says with this model it comes with a quick, with so much. So you've got adaptive cruise control, it's got a hill hold, it said quick shifter, semi-automatic suspension. Genuinely can't really think of anything else you would possibly need on a motorcycle. There we go, there's the lovely dash. What is nice about these is actually getting around the menu system on a KTM is actually relatively easy using the pads there. Right, so there we go. That is our KTM 1290 SUPERADVENTUR S with a Red Bull graphics kit. Like I said, I really like this one. I just think that looks really, really cool. Right, if you'd like any more information on this one or any of the other bikes we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call on 01392 211 246 or check out our website www.speedthrills.co.uk. Thank you for watching.